This HAIPHAIK Car Emergency Roadside Kit stands out for combining jumper cables, basic repair tools, and safety accessories in one organized package that actually feels ready for real breakdowns. The included jumper cables use sturdy, well-insulated construction with strong clamps, which inspires confidence when boosting a weak battery in bad weather. A compact hard case keeps the tools neatly separated, so the kit fits easily in a trunk or under a seat while still protecting everything from being crushed or scattered. The folding shovel is surprisingly practical for drivers who encounter snow, mud, or off-road situations, and its rugged build also makes it useful for camping or outdoor trips. Beyond tools, the addition of items like a tow rope, tire repair pieces, gloves, and a flashlight makes this feel like a well-rounded safety kit rather than just a simple tool set. Its relatively lightweight, compact design and broad usefulness make it an especially thoughtful choice for new drivers or anyone who wants a grab-and-go emergency kit in the vehicle.